Hey guys, Chung here. So it's close to summer vacation time, and most of you guys, probably not all of you guys, are going to travel with a group, and you might want to travel alone. And one thing that might come up is to take a full body shot or a photo of yourself, or even vlogging to capture like a nice wide shot and capture yourself in a full body shot instead of like a half body shot. But might think it's a little bit difficult to do that, especially at really busy locations, especially like setting up a tripod and standing so far somebody might steal it. So in this video I want to show you guys a trick how to secure your camera, especially if you are vlogging or taking a picture of yourself. So here we have like a tripod feet or a flexible tripod feet that you can wrap around stuff. And first thing we're going to remove here is this head section. So this big section here. So here I bought a flexible spiral cable. It's a metal cable, so there's a metal cable inside, so they can't cut it or just pull this apart that easily. So this is nice and secure. So this we put around here and put this back here. So now we have this nice cable around here, and if we put the camera directly on top of here, it will take them much longer to actually remove the camera. So instead of using a quick release, we're just going to rotate the camera onto the tripod feet. So if they want to steal it, they need to try and grab the entire thing. But because we have this cable we can secure to anything, we can loop that back and connect it to that. So I am using a carabiner here just to make it easy, but you can also just buy a proper lock and actually lock it down. But I just didn't have time to search for a actual lock, so I just grabbed a carabiner instead. And this carabiner does have like a thread or a locking mechanism, so they need to rotate this a few times, so it will take a few more extra seconds to actually remove. But if you have an actual lock, it'd probably be a bit nicer. So just basically connect it into the loop that's around the ball head here, so like this, and now you have a enclosed system. So now if the thief is trying to steal it, they need to unlock or get the carabiner off first, or need to cut this metal thread. But I don't think, unless they have like a big bolt cutter, I don't think this they could easily steal it. But also if they see this whole contraption with this metal wire around something, I doubt they would even attempt to steal your camera. So that was how to secure your camera. And if you know anybody who is going to travel alone or does a lot of vlogging alone, share this tip with them, because they might be able to get better pictures standing further away from the camera, and also make sure that their camera is secured and that nobody would steal it when they are on vacation. So I hope you guys found this a great video, and please give me a thumbs up for that. If you want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye!